you for joining us on the news updates on Enyimba TV. I am Mary Ihejirika. A group of tricycle operators plying various routes in Aba stormed Enyimba TV premises on a peaceful protest. They lamented the limited registration outlets in Aba and the awful treatment from the task force agency. Recall that the state government introduced a new scheme to enumerate and re-register tricycles and motorcycles in the state in a bid to curb the operation of criminals and to identify the real owners or operators of commercial vehicles and tricycles in the state. The plight of these tricycle operators in Aba include lack of registration documents, adequate manpower, and fewer registration outlets in Aba. One of the tricycle operators, Owamma Chinedu, while expressing his dissatisfaction, stated that he are not against the new directive from the government with regards to the compulsory union registration, but are not satisfied with the few registration outlets and lack of registration documents. He revealed that they spend the whole day trying to register their tricycle, which always seems impossible at the end of the day, adding that most of them who are yet to register are faced with harassment and extortion from the task force agency. He appealed to the relevant government agency to make things easy for them by creating more registration outlets in the city. Another keke rider, while expressing his displeasure, said that for some days now, they have been going for enumeration and re-registration of their tricycles, but to no avail as they spend their day at the location. He harped on the need for the relevant government agency to create more registration centers for seamless and prompt registration. The Abia State Independent Electoral Commission, ABSIEC, has announced recruitment for ad hoc staff for the upcoming local government elections scheduled for November 2 across the state. The commission, in a press statement signed by Dr. Kelechi Okere, and ABSIEC Commissioner 2 in charge of information, voter education, training and publicity on Thursday, said the commission called on suitable qualified candidates to apply for various election roles. These positions available include supervisory presiding officers, SPOs, presiding officers, POs, assistant presiding officers, APOs, poll clerks, PCs, and assistant poll clerks. According to Dr. Okere, interested applicants are required to submit a handwritten application to the ABSIEC offices in their respective local government areas. The statement urged applicants to address their applications to the ABSIEC chairman and ensure submission before the deadline on Tuesday, October 8, 2024. Alongside their applications, candidates must provide 2 passport photographs, a photocopy of their staff identity card where applicable, and their curriculum vitae. Former Secretary to Imo State Government Uche Onyagocha has challenged the Igbo elites to stop showing off by building magnificent edifices in their country homes, but instead use the resources to build factories that would provide job opportunities for the army of jobless youth in the southeast. The former House of Representatives member, who threw the challenge on Thursday night while featuring on a town hall meeting monitored by Enyimba TV, regretted that most of the big houses littered across communities in Igbo land are uninhabited by human beings but serve as colonies for lizards and cockroaches. Onyagocha, who spoke on the theme, Shaping Future Leaders, the role of political grooming in Southeast governance, argued that it made more sense for the Igbo elites to invest in things that would impact positively on the economy of the region than tie up their money in private houses. The 2019 governorship candidate in Imo State, who noted that a lot of opportunities exist in the Southeast, urged Ndi Igbo in the diaspora to begin to invest at homes. On business, the federal government is proposing that the Nigerian Maritime Administration and Safety Agency, NIMASA, and the Nigerian Port Authority, NPA, to begin collecting charges, fees, fines, and others in Naira rather than in foreign currencies. The special advisor to the President on Information and Strategy, Bayo Onanoga, disclosed this during a briefing at the State House, Abuja, where he noted that it is part of the Economic Stabilization Bill to be presented by the President to the National Assembly. According to him, the proposal is part of efforts from the federal government to prioritize the use of local currencies in Nigeria and reduce pressure on the foreign exchange markets. And on sports, Nigeria Football Federation (NFF) says Augustine Igbo'S will continue in his role as the interim coach of the Super Eagles. NFF disclosed this in a statement on X on Thursday, saying the appointment followed a recommendation from the NFF's Technical and Development Subcommittee. The 58-year-old in temporary charge of the squad he had led 3 times previously steered the 3-time African champions to a 3-0 defeat at Benin Republic and scoreless draw with Rwanda in match days 1 and 2 earlier this month. Igbo'S, who had been serving as the NFF's technical director, will now lead the national team in their upcoming 2025 Africa Cup of Nations qualifying matches against Libya scheduled for next month. Please join us for more updates in our subsequent bulletins. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Click on the notification bell to receive alerts when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. I am Mary Ihejirika.